Window air conditioners are a great way to get the cooling that you need for a fraction of the price that you would normally pay. However, when it comes to making decisions on which ones to purchase, it can be a bit difficult. There are many options available in the market, each with its pros and cons, and it is important for you to understand these so that you can plan the perfect purchase. In this video, I'm listing down the 5 best window air conditioners this year based on price and efficiency.
Smarter cooling starts with a smarter design. Clearview easily and safely installs below the windowsill, so you can keep your full view and open and close the window freely. For next-level control, pair the unit with the Smart HQ app, plus smart speakers like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Not to mention, it's ultra quiet, so you get all the cooling power you need without the noise.
GE window air conditioners are perfect for cooling small spaces. Efficient, effective, and easy to install, the units come with an adjustable thermostat and easy-to-use controls. With 2 cooling modes, 2 fan speeds, 10 temperature settings, and a washable filter, you can fine-tune your comfort anytime you like. GE air conditioners, comfort you can rely on.